Greeting coding widgets, Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome back to 18th magical episode of our JavaScript series. In today's journey, we will unveil the secret of the alert, prompt and confirm functions. These functions are very useful functions. These magical spells are more than meets the eye, and understanding them is essential for crafting interactive and user-friendly enhancement with your code. So grab your coding bands and let's dive into the interesting world of JavaScript. So first is alert function. Let's begin with the alert function, a simple yet powerful spell for displaying message to users. So let's understand this with an example. So here we have a alert function example. We have to just write alert and in the braces whatever you want to display to your user. So just we will first make here index.html and with the power of emit we will just here and just here to link our JavaScript file and hover this and follow this link. Here we have a alert, welcome to a magical world. Here we will just copy this. Okay, you can just go live here and you can see this here this is the alert function. Here alert function is coming, welcome to the magical world of JavaScript. So if I reload this, the alert function is coming here. So just I want to use this alert function in the console, so just comment this and here we will reload this page. So alert function is not coming because we commented it out. So in the console if I write alert and whatever I want to print, hello world, this is alert, and if I close this bracket and press enter, you can see this here alert function is coming. I hope you understand this. Let's move to next. So next topic is, so first we will understand the importance and disadvantages of alert function. Importance is user notification. Alert is great for providing immediate notification to users. And second is debugging. It's useful for debugging purposes to quickly check values or flow. So next is disadvantages. So disadvantage is blocking. It stops the execution of a script until the user click on OK, potentially disrupting the user experience. So user, if you just write anything in the alert function and don't press the OK, so next is not coming. You can say that if I am not here to give OK button, so next script will not execute. I hope you understand this. So let's move to next. So next is prompt function. Prompt is also very important. Next is our additional in the prompt function, a spell that allows us to gather input from users. So prompt is used for, so letting the, just use this. We have here, if I just write let user response is equal to prompt, so whatever user input, the user response will collect them. So user response is a variable and prompt function just take the input from user and store in the user response. So here we have a let user response prompt. So if I just comment out this and you can say this, here we have a what is your magical creature. So if I write here dragon and OK, so the user response is take the answer. So if I just print the user response, so you can see this here dragon is printing. I hope you get this. Here you can see the dragon is printed. So let's move to next. So first we will understand the importance and disadvantages of prompt also. User input prompt lets us interactive collect input from user. Dynamic content, it enable dynamic content creation based on user responses. So next is disadvantages. It is also like a alert function. It block the execution of script until the input is not provided, and basic styling, limited styling options for the input dialog. So next is our confirm function. So first we will comment this and confirm function. Last but not the least, we have that confirm function, a spell for seeking yes or no answer for user. So whenever user want to delete anything or insert anything, if we can ask to user, you are confirm for this. So example for confirm, we have this alert, is magician confirm, are you skilled magician? If user press the OK, so is magician value will be true, and if user press cancel, the is magical value will be false. You can see this. So are you a skilled magician? If I press OK, so it is true. So if I here is magician, if I print is magician here, so the value is true. You can see this. So if I refresh this, so are you skilled magician, and if I press cancel, and if I print the magician value, you can see this is magician value is false. I hope you understand this. So let's understand the importance and disadvantage. User confirmation. Confirm is deal with the scenario requiring user confirmation and the decision making. It helps in decision making based on user choices. So disadvantage similar to the alert and prompt is interrupt script flow until the user responds. And limited option offer only two options, OK or cancel. While this spell alert, prompt and confirm hold great importance in certain scenarios, it is essential to be aware of their potential disadvantages. Understanding when to use these functions and when to explore more modern and user-friendly alternatives is the key to mastering the art of user interaction in JavaScript.